in this modded version. And you can purchase all the things that are paid normally in the normal version for free in this modded version. And as you can see over here that I have opened the Basketball Arena modded version, I'm in the store, and all these packages of diamonds are costing me $0. You can see that there I'm being offered a 6 different packages of diamonds, and I've 80 diamonds, 500 diamonds, 1,200 diamonds. I have like 2,500, 7,000 of Basketball Arena downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices pretty simply, quickly, and easily in a few simple steps. So as you saw, in less than a minute, I just went from 96,000 diamonds to 215,000 diamonds with this modded version by just going on to clicking on these 6 different packages of diamonds. I was able to get those much diamonds. So this is the Basketball Arena Plus, the modded version of Basketball Arena. And it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. So I'm just giving you a last look, and now let me just close the game and move on to the steps. So this is the game icon right underneath the home icon on the left hand side of my screen, and what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply delete this game so that I can move on to show you how to basically download it again. So we'll go through this video together, so just bear with me. So now that I have uninstalled the game, let's move on to the steps. So the first thing you have to do is basically open the settings of your phone. It's a simple task. And scroll down to your battery settings of your phone. So you have to make sure in your battery settings that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to ensure that your power saving mods are off on either of your Android and iOS devices. If they're on, you should turn them off, because if they're on, your downloading process will be affected, and you'll certainly not be able to get the contents downloaded. And once you've done that, simply exit your settings and go scroll up back to your general settings. This is only for iOS devices, step number 2. Inside your general settings, go down to background app refresh, which will be right underneath the iPhone storage, and open your background app refresh and make sure your background app refresh is on nothing but on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now this is step number 2. I'm emphasizing this point again. It's only for iOS devices because there is no background app refresh in Android devices. So, but you still have to do this for iOS devices. It's a must. It's a compulsory step. But if you're using an Android device, you'll have to skip to step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices, and that is that you have to go down to your browser settings. Whichever browser you're using, you have to go to its settings. For example, I'm using the Safari, so I've just opened Safari settings, and make sure that all of your cookies are unblocked for that particular browser you're using. Because if your cookies are enabled, if your cookies are not, if your cookies have to be unblocked. If they're blocked, your downloading process will be affected. So once you unblock all the cookies, open that particular browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, and into the search engine bar of that you might want to download and that might fascinate and get your attention by the descriptions. And if you can't find anything, just go back to the search bar and type that in, and you'll be able to find that thing. But here we go, we just found the Basketball Arena modded version. It says free store mod, unlimited diamonds. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking the green button that says signed, or anywhere within the section of this Basketball Arena modded. So there you go, and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. Now remember, the most important thing, that is that there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I fast forwarded the video over here is just to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And once the injection process has been finished, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, and this is the final step, so just bear with me. I'll be showing you how to do it, so let me just proceed. So basically I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of instructions over here, out of which I have to complete 2. And certainly I'm going to be going for the 2 easiest to follow the instructions, and my first one is going to be Social Calendar. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. They've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well, just to be on the safe side. Once you've completed your instruction number 1, simply close the app and go back to your injection process page and go on to complete your instruction number 2. And for me, it's going to be fetch rewards. Again, a similar kind of an instruction. I have to run it for 30 seconds after installing it, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction. And remember, once your contents are downloaded after your injection process has been completed, you may delete these extra apps to optimize your storage, just because these apps may end up occupying space on your phone for no reason. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your Basketball Arena modded version will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another exciting video. Until then, take care. Bye.